kring, there is cycle. My cycle is with 3 wheels. Father bought me as a gift, as I'm very diligent. Kring, 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 there is cycle. My cycle is with 3 wheels. Father bought me as a gift, as I'm very diligent. Good morning, student. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, good. Today, Ma'am Nia will introduce myself. Okay, my name is Ma'am Karunia Widiati. I'm from SDN Lidah Wetantu, Surabaya. Anak-anak,
10 menit
seperti hari
10 menit katanya.
Beberapa saat yang lalu, Ma'am Nia tidak sendiri. Hari ini Ma'am Nia juga ditemani oleh seseorang. Come on, Mister.
Hi, good morning, Miss Nia.
Good morning. How are you, Mr. Daddy?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine, thank you. How about you, Miss Nia?
Great.
Okay. Right now, before we continue our English lesson, I wanna introduce myself first. Okay, Miss Nia? Okay, good morning, students. Right now, I want to introduce myself. My name is Mr. Dedi. I am from SD Masdo Rungkut, Surabaya. Yuk, Miss Nia, kita sapa anak-anak terlebih dahulu.
Okay.
Good morning,
Good morning, students.
Welcome to our program
Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku. And this program is presented by Dinas Pendidikan Kota Surabaya
and supported by Jawa Post TV, always independent. Okay, right now, Miss Nia, we will study many things, many materials. Do you know?
Yes, of
I
course.
think for about 60 minutes later, Mr. Dedi and Miss Nia will handle this program, especially English in the 3rd grade. Jadi spesial untuk hari ini adalah bahasa Inggris kelas 3 ya anak-anak. Anak-anak harus siap karena we will learn 4 materials. Okay, what is the first? The first is talking about game and sport. And the second, what is that, Mr. Nia?
The second is about clothes and color.
And the third is save energy.
And the last is about transportation.
Okay. I think it's very amazing right now because we will get something for our daily. Okay, Miss Nia? What is our purpose for today? Tujuan pembelajaran pada pagi hari ini apa saja ya, Miss Nia? Seperti halnya the first tadi ada game and sport. Wah, ya kan, Miss Nia? Jadi semuanya nanti akan dikemas banyak dengan learning purpose, tujuan pembelajaran pada hari ini. Okay, the first is talking about game and sport. The learning purpose of this, the first is to understand what is the meaning of game and sport. And the second is to understand some vocabulary about game and sport. Jadi untuk yang pertama adalah kita akan memahami apa sih game dan olahraga dalam bahasa Inggris, apa definisinya. Dan yang kedua adalah kita akan memahami beberapa kosakata yang berhubungan dengan game dan sport tadi, Miss Nia. Miss Nia, I wanna ask you, do you like game?
Yes, of course.
Okay, what kind of game?
I like traditional game.
Oh, what is that?
I like dakon, Pak Dedi.
Oh, dakon, yes.
Yeah.
Dakon usually needs minimally 2 person. So, with whom do you play dakon?
I usually play with my daughter at home.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. So, Do you like modern game?
No.
No? Oh. So, I wanna ask you again. What is your favorite sport?
Oh, I like gymnastic.
Oh, gymnastic. Running? Not?
No.
Maybe like cycling?
No.
Oh, only like
Gymnastic.
gymnastic to make your body healthy, right? Okay. Now, what is the second material? Can you explain?
Okay. The second material about clothes and color. Anak-anak, materi yang kedua tentang pakaian dan warna. And the learning purpose of clothes and color. First, we can mention many kinds of clothes. And the second, we can mention many kinds of color. Jadi setelah pembelajaran ini, anak-anak diharapkan bisa menyebutkan bermacam-macam jenis pakaian dan menyebutkan bermacam-macam jenis warna, Pak Dedi.
Oh, great, Miss Nia. Okay, and the third is about save energy, Miss Nia. Okay, the learning purpose of this material is the first, we know many things that need electrical energy. And the second is we can understand some vocabulary about energy. Jadi yang pertama nanti kita akan belajar apa misalnya? Kita bisa memahami beberapa benda yang membutuhkan energi listrik misalnya. Dan yang kedua, kita akan memahami beberapa kosakata yang berhubungan dengan electrical tadi. And what is the last material misalnya?
Okay, thank you. The last materials about transportation. Okay, and the learning purpose of transportation. First, we can identify kinds of transportation. Second, we can understanding many kinds of transportation and vocabulary, of course, yeah, about transportation.
Transportation. I like transportation. Maybe for about how many kinds of transportation?
There are 3 kinds of transportation.
What
Jadi
is that?
Ada 3 macam jenis kendaraan anak-anak ya. Yang pertama land transportation atau kendaraan darat. And then air transportation, kendaraan udara atau transportasi udara. And water transportation is kendaraan laut.
Oke, Miss Nia, anak-anak kita ajak berdoa dulu ya. Okay, student, before we start our English lesson, right now, students, please sit down neatly and prepare your book. And now, time for Miss Nia to invite the students to pray together.
Thank you, Mr. Dedi. Okay, student, before we study this morning, let's pray together. Kita berdoa terlebih dahulu ya sebelum kita mulai pembelajaran pagi ini. Supaya nanti apa yang kita pelajari akan bermanfaat untuk kita semua. Okay, let's pray together. Start. Dear God, we want to study English this morning. Please help us. Ya Allah, hari ini kami ingin belajar bahasa Inggris. Tolong bantu kami. Amin.
Amin. Okay, thank you Miss Nia. Okay, right now please enjoy the program and then get the knowledge ya students. After this, we will back for the material. Jadi setelah ini nanti saya Mr. Dedi sama Miss Nia akan menjelaskan lebih detail tentang materi pada pembelajaran pada pagi hari ini. Oke, still on the program. Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku.
dan juga Sisi Lovers. Aduh, ketemu lagi kita nih secara virtual, seru ya.
Ini juga memberi dampak luar biasa bagi anak-anak korban perang yang juga memperoleh topi rajut buatan Vera.
Kamu bisa bikin sesuatu yang mempertemukan orang yang belum ada pasangannya, jadi bisa ngebantu dia.
Belanja online, klik sesukamu di cuacui.com. Santai di rumah, pilih produk sesukamu. Bandingkan produk-produk Cuacuit dengan e-commerce atau TV shopping lain. Mau tanya-tanya? Hubungi WhatsApp atau SMS ke call center. Semua barang dan produk terjamin quality controlnya. Ingat, non-retur. Suka belanja? Belanja mudah? Klik sesukamu.
Hai. Still on the program. Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku. Okay, Miss Nia. Right now we will study again. Okay, right now it's time for me to explain about sport and game.
Oke.
Okay. Right now, please students. Right now we will study about sports and game. Apa sih sport sama game itu? Nah, dalam bahasa Inggris, sport itu adalah olahraga, sedangkan games adalah permainan. Sport is important for us. There are a lot of interesting sport and games. I know like basketball, volleyball, football, tennis, swimming, skating, and skiing. I like swimming and skiing very much. I swim in the river in summer and ski in the forest in winter. I like to play football most of all. I usually play football with my friends. Okay, Miss Nia? Miss Nia?
Ya.
Do you know what is the definition of game and sport?
Oke. Can you tell to our student, Pak Dedi?
Okay, Miss Nia. I will explain about what is the definition of game and sport. Apa sih definisi dari game dan sport tersebut? A game is a contest with rules to determine a winner. Jadi permainan itu adalah sebuah ajang kontes ya Miss Nia, dengan aturan untuk menentukan seorang pemenang. Jadi game akan menentukan seorang pemenang Miss Nia. And sport, what is sport? Sport is an athletic activity requiring skill or physical prowess. Jadi di sini sport, olahraga ini adalah sebuah aktivitas atletik misalnya. Jadi yang membutuhkan skill, kemampuan di atas rata-rata. Contohnya kita berenang, swimming. Jadi harus butuh energi, nafas yang panjang dan lain-lain. Tenis. Nah, itu berarti kemampuannya di atas rata-rata. So to get a champion. Nah, jadi untuk mendapatkan champion dengan aktivitas yang lain. Oke. Di sini kita akan membahas adalah games. Games di situ ada dua misalnya, traditional game sama modern game. Kalau traditional game berarti game tradisional. Nah, ini berarti zaman dulu-dulu waktu di desa kita sering menggunakannya. Nah, tapi sekarang sudah mulai ditinggalkannya. Anak-anak sekarang kan modern, jadi sering menggunakan modern game. Tapi tidak boleh lepas dari traditional game because it's very enjoy to do that. Sangat menikmati untuk melakukan traditional game ini. What is that? Nah, di sini ada contohnya kinds of traditional game. The first is playing dakon. Jadi bermain dakon seperti Miss Nia tadi, yaitu like dakon very much with your darter. And the second is playing marbles, bermain kelereng Miss Nia. And the third is playing yo-yo, bermain yo-yo ya. Jadi yo-yo digini-ginikan itu ya. Nah, bisa memutar. And then flying kites, bermain layang-layang. Nah, cocok nih kalau musim kemarau ya, dry season. Jadi itu paling enak ketika main layang-layang. And then sack race, lari karung di sini ya. And then next is playing hide and seek. Jadi ini adalah bermain petak umpet. Paling seru ini kalau sembunyi-sembunyian. And then swing. And the last adalah seesaw. Seesaw itu jungkat-jungkitnya ya. Oke. And the next is modern games nih ya. Jadi ini anak-anak zaman now ini sukanya dengan modern games. Tapi kita juga harus mengajarkan yaitu traditional game. What is that? Like this. Playing computer, Scrabble, PSP, remote car, until video game. Di sini termasuk modern game pada zaman now, zaman sekarang. Jadi karena mungkin terbatasnya tempat, jadi anak-anak lebih suka dengan modern game right now. Oke, right now talking about sport. Ada jenis olahraga yang harus kita pelajari ya Miss Nia. Yang pertama di sini ini ada banyak sekali kosakata yang berhubungan dengan olahraga. Seperti halnya basketball, swimming, volleyball, bermain volleyball seperti ini. Ya. Playing tennis, running, playing football, cycling, main sepeda, and playing badminton. Jadi playing badminton. Ini termasuk sport. Jadi ini bisa dilombakan di ajang kejuaraan misalnya, nasional, bisa internasional juga. Now, let's practice. Are you ready, Miss Nia?
Yes, of course, Pak Dedi.
Okay. Now, what is that? Do you know the picture? Let's practice. My favorite sport is
Badminton.
Okay.
My favorite sport is badminton.
great. What is the picture? I like playing
Seesaw. I like playing seesaw.
Okay, great. And the next, what is that? I like playing.
Marbles.
Okay.
I like playing marbles.
Okay, great Miss Nia. Jadi itu termasuk tadi adalah jenis olahraga tradisional ya, sport and game ya. Now let's practice the dialogues. Kita mempraktekkan dialogues ya, Miss Nia. Are you ready?
Yes, of
Okay.
course, Mister.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is stills.
Okay, what is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is swimming.
Okay. The next picture is, what is your favorite game?
My favorite game is playing yo-yo.
Okay. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is boxing.
Boxing like this ya Miss Nia. Oh. Jadi seru juga ya Miss Nia. Jadi pembelajaran tentang hari ini adalah tentang game. Okay, Miss Nia, I wanna ask you, in your school, usually many students like playing modern game or traditional game in your school?
In our school, usually my student like playing traditional game,
Okay, what is that?
like gobak sodor, you know.
Oh yes, running with my friend to catch like this.
Yeah, you are right.
Right, I like it because when I was in elementary school, I like it very much. And then any others? Ada yang lain mungkin?
Marbles.
Marbles. In school, playing marbles?
Yes.
Oh. How about in playing football maybe?
Football.
Futsal?
Yeah, this is a modern
yes.
game.
Maybe
Sport.
In the schoolyard maybe, yes. Oke, Miss Nia. Nanti di sini setelah segmen berikutnya ini ada game yang sangat seru Miss Nia. Jadi sudah saya persiapkan adalah game yang sangat seru Miss Nia. Tentang apa? Jadi gamenya ini kita bisa nanti praktekkan di rumah, tapi using English. Seru kan? Pastinya seru. Karena apa? Nanti gamenya di sini dipraktekkan oleh anak-anak. Jadi bisa 2 orang, bisa lebih banyak orang. Nanti yang kalah itu bisa dapat punishment. Tapi seru karena using English. Jadi kalau playing marbles kan main biasa ya. Tapi kalau yang di sini gamenya nanti di sini adalah modern game but using English. Jadi tambah seru Miss Nia.
Wah, penasaran ini
Wah,
mungkin ya.
penasaran ini Miss Nia. Ya anak-anak pasti penasaran juga ya Miss Nia.
Ya, tentu saja.
Oh. Oke anak-anak. Tetap pada channel di sini ya. Don't go anywhere because the next segment there is a game for the students. Are you ready? So don't go anywhere, stay on the program. Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku.
Yang di sampingnya ini sendiri dia lebih mahal karena warnanya juga lebih bagus. Ini jenisnya Scarlet Macau.
Pemirsa, kita sangat beruntung sekali ketika kita ditakdirkan oleh Allah menjadi umat Nabi Muhammad.
Kalau Bunda Fajar mau kasidah itu kan ya banyak.
Betul.
Kata malaikat Jibril, saya tidak rela, saya tidak ikhlas melihat engkau diperlakukan semacam ini.
Dikejar target ribuan penghuni Rusun Surabaya lakukan tes swab. Pasca fenomena Blood Moon, kampung nelayan alami banjirop. Calon amunisi baru Persebaya tiba di Kota Pahlawan.
Hai. Still on the program. Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku. Oke, Miss Nia, are you ready again?
Yes, of course.
Nah, right now there is a game for students. Jadi ini ada game dari anak-anak Miss Nia. Jadi anak-anak yang di rumah akan harus fokus ya pada gamenya ya. Nanti bisa dipraktekkan dengan teman-temannya. You can practice with your friends at home. Okay, are you ready? Now, please, 1, 2, 3, 2.
Boom, snap, clap, boom, boom, snap, clap, boom, boom, snap, clap. Boom, snap, clap, boom, boom, snap, clap, boom, boom, snap, clap. The second game. Double, this, that. Let's practice. Double, double, this, double double that that double this double that double double this that. Follow us. Yeah, we are ready. Go. Double double this double double that that double this double that double double this that. Double double this double double that that double this double that double double this that. Boom, slap, whack, boom, boom, slap, whack, boom, boom, slap, whack. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, seru juga kan Miss Nia?
Iya.
Jadi ini melatih concentration. Jadi konsentrasi Miss Nia. Jadi seperti double double this double double that double this double that double double this that, like this. Okay, now time for you to explain about the second material. Are you ready? Okay, now
Yes.
time for you.
Okay, now time for study about clothes and color. Ya, anak-anak sekarang materinya tentang pakaian dan warna. Oke, seperti tadi ya di tujuan pembelajaran sudah kita sebutkan ya, Pak
Ya,
Dedi.
betul sekali.
We can mention many kinds of clothes, ya, and then we can mention many kinds of color.
Okay.
There are some examples, ya.
Okay, please give
About-
example Miss Nia.
Many kinds of clothes, ya. Okay, first, this is socks.
Socks. Okay, good.
Socks. Repeat after me.
Socks.
Okay, good. What is this? Ada yang tahu anak-anak? Yang di rumah? Okay, this is hat. Ya. This is hat. Ya. And then, what is the color, Pak Dedi?
The color is pink.
Okay, how we can explain to our student. Jadi anak-anak untuk menyebutkan warna suatu benda ya atau seperti ini ya, pink hat. Jadi kita sebutkan dulu warnanya baru bendanya. Oke. Repeat after Ma'am Nia. This is a pink hat.
This is a pink hat.
Okay. And then cap. This is a cap. This is a red cap. Ya, jadi kita sebutkan dulu warnanya baru benda. Okay. And then clothes, a t-shirt. This is a red t-shirt. This is a red t-shirt.
Oh, red t-shirt.
Oke, jadi bukan t-shirt red,
Oh, nggak boleh ya
red
Miss Nia?
t-shirt. Iya,
Nah, harus
menyebutkan warnanya dulu,
terlebih dahulu.
ya, baru bendanya. Oke. And do you know what is this, Mr. Daddy? How do you say in English?
Slipper.
Slippers. And what is the color?
Pink.
Yeah, so we can.
Pink slipper. Right?
Okay, right.
Ah.
This is pink slippers. Okay. Now, Mr. Daddy, can you explain what are you wearing now?
Oh, I'm wearing many clothes like this one. What is that? This is a tie. Karena warnanya hitam berarti black. Black tie. What is this? This is shirt. Red shirt. Watch. My watch is black. So, black watch. Nah, like this one. This is trouser. So, black trouser. Like this one again. This is belt. Black belt. Oh, kok semuanya hitam ya Miss Nia? Like my shoes like this one? My shoes. This is black shoes. Karena sepatunya warnanya hitam. Jadi bahasa Indonesia warnanya dulu ya Miss Nia.
Yeah, black shoes.
Like this one. Now, what are you wearing, Miss Nia?
Oh, okay. I'm wearing pink veil, and then I'm wearing black glasses, and I'm wearing black blazer, black skirt, and brown shoes.
Oh, great.
Okay. Ya, anak-anak, ini ada beberapa contoh ya, kinds of clothes. I will read it for you. Hat, cap, hat. Ya, jadi apa bedanya hat dengan cap ya Pak Dedi?
Iya.
Can I show to our student? This is hat. Anak-anak, jadi ini yang disebut dengan hat.
Yang bulat itu berarti biasanya.
Ya. And then this is cap. Ini adalah cap. Dalam bahasa Indonesia kita menyebutkan peci, ya. Jadi this is hat and this is cap.
Okay,
Ya.
great.
Topi, peci. And the next example, tie, t-shirt, shirt, skirt, shorts, trousers, uniform, pajamas, and jacket.
Okay, Miss Nia. Now, let's practice ya Miss Nia.
Okay.
What is that?
A hat.
What is that?
This is a cap.
Okay, great. What is that?
This is a tie.
What is that?
This is t-shirt.
Okay, Miss Nia.
Oh yeah, Pak Dedi, can I tell to our student about the color?
Okay,
A hat. Yeah. Many kinds of colors. Yeah. Black, and then white, red, yellow, blue, and then pink, purple, orange, brown, and green.
Okay.
What kinds of your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Wow.
Because you know my shirt is red, so I like my shirt. So I wear red shirt like this one. So how about you? What is your favorite color?
I like pink.
Oh, pink. So sweet, right?
It's really glow like a pink color.
Oh.
Okay, what the next, Mr. Dedi?
Oh, okay. The next, selanjutnya nanti akan ada pembelajaran lagi ya anak-anak tentang save energy. Jadi anak-anak jangan kemana-mana ya, karena nanti Mr. Dedi sama Miss Nia akan kembali lagi. Oke, are you ready? Oke, Miss Nia, are you ready? Oke, oke. Jadi now kita akan belajar lagi dalam program Belajar dari Rumah bersama Guruku.
Dikejar target, ribuan penghuni rusun Surabaya lakukan tes swab. Pasca fenomena Blood Moon, kampung nelayan alami banjirop. Calon amunisi baru Persebaya tiba di Kota Pahlawan. Belanja online, klik sesukamu di cuacui.com. Santai di rumah, pilih produk sesukamu. Bandingkan produk-produk Cuacuit dengan e-commerce atau TV shopping lain. Mau tanya-tanya? Hubungi WhatsApp atau SMS ke call center. Semua barang dan produk terjamin quality controlnya. Ingat, non-retur. Suka belanja? Belanja mudah? Klik sesukamu.
Baik, kenaikan harga cabai, terutama harga cabai rawit yang hingga tembus 100.000 per kilo, tentu saja ini memberikan efek yang cukup signifikan.
Hai, still on the program Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku. Okay, Mas Nia, right now we will continue again our learning. This is talking about save energy. Okay, in our daily life, dalam kehidupan sehari-hari, we need electrical energy. Kita itu butuh energi listrik mestinya. But everyone must save the energy. Jadi semua orang harus save energi juga, ya. Tidak harus memanfaatkan terus, tapi juga harus save energi mestinya. Mestinya talking about energy. This is talking about electrical energy. Karena nanti yang kita akan bahas adalah special things that need electrical energy. Jadi benda-benda yang membutuhkan energi listrik. Okay. Can I ask you? Okay, Miss Nia. Can you explain maybe? Do you know about energy listrik? Electrical energy?
Yes,
okay.
Of course.
Who invented electrical? Siapa sih penemu elektrik itu?
Oh, Michael Faraday.
Oh, Michael Faraday itu ya?
Faraday, sorry.
Oh, okay. Michael Faraday.
Iya.
Jadi without electrical energy, maybe this world is maybe dark. Jadi bisa gelap ya mestinya. For example like this one. Jadi bagaimana sih caranya how to maximize about energy? Jadi seperti halnya caranya mudah sederhana. Jadi ketika when you go anywhere from your room, maybe you can try to turn off the lamp. Nah, contoh like this one. I have example Miss Nia. Do you know what is this?
This is
a lamp.
the lamp.
Okay. Jadi ketika when we use it, you can turn on the lamp like this one. This is on. But if you go anywhere after studying or after anything, maybe you can try to turn off the lamp like this one. So this is save energy. Jadi waktu tidur kita hidupkan terus, otomatis ini membuang energi misalnya. Jadi bagaimana save energy? Jadi caranya mudah, yaitu kita mematikan. For example again misalnya, ini biasanya di daily activity, like your children maybe like watching TV or watching movie in computer or television. Your children may be sleeping but the television still on. Berarti di sini not save energy. Bagaimana save energy? Try to make like this one. You can turn off the television. Dimatikan misalnya. Nah, like air conditioner maybe, jadi dimatikan juga ketika you can go anywhere. Oke. Jadi bisa mempraktekkan model seperti ini. Anak-anak di rumah juga you must practice how to save energy. Oke, save energy because this is for our future. Jadi untuk masa depan juga misalnya. Oke. Ini ada caranya ya anak-anak. The first is unplug unnecessary cable. Jadi mencopot jadi kabel-kabel yang tidak penting ya. Supaya apa? This is save energy too. And the second is change ball lamp to LED. Jadi kita mengganti lampu menggunakan lampu LED supaya memudahkan. And the next is like turn off the television. Jadi mematikan televisi. Nah, mau pergi kemana, masa TV-nya nyala. So it's time for you to turn off the television. You go anywhere, doing any activity, please turn off the television first. And then shut down the computer. After working maybe Miss Nia, you can do any homework for your school. Don't go anywhere again. Please shut down your computer first.
Yes, of course, Mister.
And the next is save water. Wah, ini harus menyimpan tanda tangan air, menyimpan air juga. Jadi tidak boleh kita waste water, membuang air sembarangan. Karena water is our life, kehidupan kita. Without water, we cannot live. Tidak bisa hidup loh.
Of course.
And the next is plant many trees. Jadi kita invite students to plant many trees. Jadi menanam banyak pohon supaya penghijauan. And then maximize the daily light. Jadi untuk memaksimalkan cahaya saja yang ada di sekitar kita, matahari, like sun. Oke, Miss Nia, this is the object that need electrical energy. Kita praktek ya Miss Nia. Ini adalah beberapa objek atau benda-benda yang membutuhkan electrical energy, yaitu tenaga listrik.
Oh ya?
Yes. Oke, Miss Nia, what is that?
Oh, this is a lamp.
Okay, great. What is that?
This is television.
Okay, Miss Nia. What is that?
This is iron.
Okay. Jadi ini juga termasuk electrical energy. Bagaimana caranya? Jadi ketika pergi kemanapun di rumah, you can try to save energy too. Oke, the next object misalnya ada beberapa objek lagi yang akan kita bahas. What is that?
This is a fan.
Okay, great. This is a fan. Okay. What is that?
This is washing machine.
Oke. Jadi mesin cuci ya misalnya. Nah, ini juga membutuhkan energi listrik yang sangat besar juga.
Yes.
Oke. What is that?
This is Magicom.
Okay, great Miss Nia. What is that?
This is refrigerator.
Okay, lah. And the next?
This is a hair dryer.
Okay. This is hair dryer, yes. Okay, and the next?
This is a computer.
Okay, computer. So, I wanna ask you again. In your school, maybe selain objek yang di sini, yang kita bahas tadi, like things that need energy, electrical energy in your school. What's it that?
Oh, I see. Maybe sound system.
Oh, sound system.
Yeah.
For what?
When we doing sport, maybe, and gymnastics.
Gymnastic again.
Yes.
Okay.
They need a sound system.
So, needs electrical energy.
Oh,
okay. I want to ask you. So, can you tell the students what is the advantage of electrical energy? Apa sih manfaat dari energi listrik bagi in our daily life?
Okay. The advantage of electric in our life, first, to make easier in our daily life, and the second is to make faster to do anything.
Oh, jadi untuk mempercepat
Yeah.
aktivitas kita ya, membantu, especially for us, help us to do anything. Jadi membantu kita untuk mempermudah dan mempercepat. Easier and faster doing anything. Nah, jadi melakukan sesuatu. Oke, Miss Nia, great answer. Oke, Miss Nia, the next section terakhir ya, Miss Nia, talking about sport. Anak-anak pasti suka yang namanya transportation. Oh, jadi setelah ini nanti anak-anak akan belajar apa? Transportation. I like transportation very much. Oke, Miss Nia, anak-anak jangan pergi kemana-mana ya. Don't go anywhere. Stay on the program, yes. Because Mr. Daddy and Miss Nia will be back still on the program.
Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku.
Cantik dan juga Sisi Lovers, ketemu lagi kita nih secara virtual, seru ya.
Ini juga memberi dampak luar biasa bagi anak-anak korban perang yang juga memperoleh topi rajut buatan Vera.
Kalau bisa bikin sesuatu yang mempertemukan orang yang belum ada pasangannya, jadi bisa ngebantu dia.
Baik, kenaikan harga cabai, terutama harga cabai rawit yang hingga tembus 100.000 per kilo, tentu saja ini memberikan efek yang cukup signifikan.
Kalau untuk yang di sampingnya ini sendiri, dia lebih mahal karena warnanya juga lebih bagus. Ini jenisnya Scarlet Macau.
Hai, still on the program. Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku. Okay, Miss Nia. Right now we will study about transportation. Are you ready, Miss Nia?
Yes, of course.
Okay, Miss Nia. Do you have a song?
Oh, yes, I have, Mr.
What is the title?
The title of the song is My Bonnie.
Oh, My Bonnie. Oh, what is that, My Bonnie?
Jadi lagu ini menceritakan seseorang yang lama sekali berlayar, ya, sehingga si ibunya ini merindukan, ya, untuk dia pulang, ya.
Oh, berlayar berarti
menyeberang laut.
Water transportation juga ya, mestinya.
You are right.
Okay. Maybe let's invite students to sing a song together.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Ya, anak-anak. Jadi anak-anak yang bisa lagunya judulnya My Bonnie, sekarang kita nyanyi bersama-sama ya dengan Mr. Daddy sama Miss Nia. Are you ready? Oke, kita hitung ya. 1, 2, 3, go!
My bonnie lies over the ocean. My bonnie lies over the sea. My bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my bonnie to me. My bonnie lies over the ocean. My bonnie lies over the sea. My bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my bonnie to me.
Wow, great. Nice song, Miss Nia. It's
Thank
wonderful.
you.
Like a best singer.
Okay, thank you, Mister.
Okay, right now, Miss Nia, can you explain about transportation to the students?
Okay.
Okay, now time for you.
Ya, anak-anak, the last lesson is about kinds of transportation. Ya, jadi tadi di awal sudah Memnia sebutkan, ya, there are 3 kinds of transportation. Ya. First, water transportation, and then land transportation, and air transportation. Excuse me, I will repeat once again, Mister. Land transportation, and then air transportation, and also water transportation. Jadi yang pertama transportasi darat, ya. Kemudian transportasi udara, dan yang terakhir adalah transportasi laut.
Okay.
Okay, may I ask you one question, Mr.
Okay, what's that?
Do you have favorite transportation?
Yes, of course. I have a favorite transportation.
What is that?
I like a ferry ship. Kapal ferry, Miss Nia.
Oh, I see. Why, Mister?
Because I enjoy, because last time, a few years ago, I went to Lombok Island. Maybe for about 6 hours on the ferry ship from Bali to the Lombok Island. So I enjoy for the vacation.
Oh, I see.
And how about you?
Actually, I like a plane.
Oh, plane.
Yes. Air transportation, yeah, because I have go with a plane, by the plane, when I'm go in Nusa Tenggara Timur,
Oh,
you
Nusa
know.
Tenggara Timur.
Iya. Oke.
Okay.
Anak-anak, berikut ini ada contoh, ya, kendaraan darat atau land transportation, ya. Bus, and then truck, and then car. Mr. Dedi, can you tell to our student what is the name of the transportation?
Like
Next.
there is a train, motorcycle, like scooter, and many others.
Okay, thank
And
you.
the next.
And then the examples of air transportation: helicopter, airship, air balloon, space shuttle, and aeroplane.
Okay.
Kemudian contoh dari
Water
kendaraan
transportation.
laut ya.
Okay.
Water transportation, boat, yacht, ship, cargo ship, and submarine, private ship.
Okay, right now, let's practice ya, Miss. Okay, what is that?
This is a train.
Okay, great. What is that?
This is a bus.
Okay. This is like land transportation, right?
You are right, Mr.
Okay. What is that?
This is a car.
Okay, I like it. The next. What is that?
This is a pedicab.
Okay. What is that?
This is a truck.
Okay. What is that?
This is a bicycle.
Okay. Do you like bicycle for
Yes.
cycling?
Sometimes I like.
Okay. Oh, this is your favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that?
This is a plane.
Okay, Miss. What is that?
This is a helicopter.
Okay, right. Okay, Miss Nia. Okay, this is the water transportation maybe. What is that?
This is a ship.
Okay, great. What is that?
This is a boat.
Okay.
This is a ferry.
Okay, Miss Nia. What is that?
This is a canoe.
Okay. Okay, Miss Nia. Tak terasa, Miss Nia. We are here for learning English for about how many minutes? 60
minutes.
Oh, nggak terasa ya, Miss?
Iya.
Sudah 60 menit berlalu ternyata.
Yes.
Nah, jadi anak-anak harus tetap belajar apapun itu yang ada di rumah. Karena belajar itu is very important. Studying is very important for us, especially for our future, untuk masa depan. Because everybody has dream. Jadi semua orang memiliki mimpi. If you study, I think that you can get rise your dream. Jadi bisa meraih mimpi-mimpi. Betul, Miss Nia? Oke, jadi tadi kita belajar banyak hal, mulai dari game and sport. Apalagi, Miss Nia?
Clothes and color.
Clothes and color. Ada save energy.
And the last is transportation.
Jadi sudah 60 menit waktu kita belajar. Oke, Miss Nia, kita ajak anak-anak untuk berdoa terlebih dahulu ya.
Oke.
Oke, now time for you to pray together.
Oke, thank you, Mr. Anak-anak, di penghujung pertemuan kita pagi ini, kita akhiri dengan berdoa selesai belajar. Oke? Ya, let's pray together. Start. God, thank you for giving me understanding in studying English this morning. Ya Allah, terima kasih Engkau telah bantu kami dalam belajar bahasa Inggris pagi ini. Amin.
Amin. Okay, thank you very much. Stay on the program. Belajar dari rumah bersama guruku. Bye-bye.